Hello, this is our 7-inch round panel light with emergency battery backup. It is compatible with an AC input of 100 to 277 volts. It has triac dimming, compatible with 100 to 130 volts AC. It has power of 12 watts with 800 plus lumens, and color temperature tunability from 27 all the way up to 50K, so 2700 all the way up to 5000K color temperature. It's got a CRI of 80, and this has a emergency battery backup of 90 minutes if there's a power outage. Here's the unboxing video. Here's the hardware that will come with the light. Here's the actual light itself. It has a very sleek design. Here's the back. I'm gonna show the installation of this into a piece of drywall we have. Initially though, if you're gonna want to take this apart and for easy installation, you'll want to unclip these two, and you'll set this aside because you'll mainly be working with this for the majority. And now let me take you over to our workbench. This is the light fixture here. Ordinarily, you'd have this as part of the roof, but we're using a slab of drywall here. Here, instead of having a conventional J-box where you would do all your wiring and have it more convenient, we've decided to just drill into this drywall. We've already pre-drilled some of the holes. We're gonna push these wires through the center hole here and snap it into place. There we go. Now you'll see that there's 4 holes here. That's for locations where you can use the screws provided in the kit. Now the screws provided in the kit are meant for the J-box, but since we're not using the J-box today, we'll be using these screws here. And so you would just drill them into the spots. So you're just gonna drill them into these spots here. That's one of them. Now for the second one. Now the neat thing about this fixture is that once you have the screws in place, you can just lock this into position. And it'll stay secure, it won't go anywhere. Now we're going to show you the other side where we'll do the wiring. Just keep in mind, ordinarily this would be a junction box, and it would be a lot more convenient, but it's just 4 wires that you'll be dealing with. This white wire is your neutral, we'll go into the neutral. This power strip we have here, this yellow wire and this black wire are both your hots, but the yellow wire is your switch hot in case you want to use a wall switch. So I'll be hooking them up here. And lastly, here's green, which is your ground. And now, let me move this back into position. And now I can finally install the top part by reconnecting this wire here. And it's as easy as twisting it into place. Now I've plugged it in. It lights up very fine. If you want to change the color temperature, you can just unscrew the top and you'll see a switch right here. This is 5K, 4K, 3,500K, 3,000K, and 27K. In order to showcase the battery backup, one moment. There we go. In order to showcase the battery backup, I will turn it off. And that's the battery backup coming back on. And that's all there is to it.